Alright, so I took the door back apart so I can paint all the handles and knobs and stuff gloss black. But while we're here, might as well cut this little tiny, I think it's like a 3.5-inch circle for the stock speaker, which this didn't even come with. But we're gonna cut it just a little bit bigger so we can fit in a 6.5 component. Alright, these are the component speakers I picked up on Amazon. Decent price, good reviews. We got the Kenwood KFCs. Got that Kentucky Fried sound. Comes with earbuds. Okay. I don't know why you need those if you got speakers. Nice. Perfect. Look how nifty that is. They have a perforated template right in the back of the box. Before I start cutting holes in the door panel, the door, I'm going to take apart this panel. Just going to get reupholstered anyway. So I want to mount the speaker to the panel itself, maybe with a trim ring to space it out so we can get as much depth as possible inside the door. Because right now it's probably going to foul on the window when it comes down. So I'm going to try to get as much space as possible and surface mount it to here instead of to the door itself. Alright, so I got my hole cut. Bit of a struggle, but it's good now. Got my lines marked up using the square right there. Make sure it's straight when it's in the car. Drill some holes out and test fit. Alright, so I changed my mind. Folding the metal out actually gives you the right spacing between the panel and the door to smooth. Actually, it brings it out to about here. So it keeps it straight and it won't get sucked in too far when I tighten the screws to hit the glass. So that's perfect. Got licorice gummy worms. Nah, this is the, I don't even know what you want to call it. Door jamb wire boot small. Yeah, just like a little conduit wire chase for our speaker wire. There's nothing else in the door that needs power anyway. Forgot where I had this run. So oversight on my part, I forgot to show you guys what I was going to do with the door panel. I put some extra headliner foam. It's like super thin, but it just gives it enough padding so it looks, I don't know, more expensive. So I had extra, so I put that on, and I'm going to glue some more of the black vinyl that matches what's on the chairs. Keep it simple for now. I'm not sure if that's how it's going to stay, but at least for now we'll match. Nonsense. Nice. Alright, so I couldn't find the super glue I usually would have used for this. So I took it out back and I shot it with 3M Super 77. So I'll let it tack up. Then I'll fold it over. Hopefully it'll hold. Box within a box, my favorite. You can say it's packed pretty well. Ta-da! Sundown audio, a whopping 6.5 inches. God, it's so cute. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. It's so little. I can palm the whole thing. That's crazy. But it's fitting for a tiny truck, so. Make sure I have a glue on my hands. That would suck. Ha! It's so small. A little dusty. Got a beefy magnet on it though. It's all magnet. I like it. $1 for reference. Look at that flex. $1. I spent all the money on the subwoofer. This thing's tiny. I went with Sundown because I've used them before a couple times. I had a 12 in my RX-8. Then I put it in my cousin's car. When I got rid of my car, I put a 10 in my friend's Mini Cooper, and that thing bumps so hard. People do not expect it coming out of a Mini Cooper, so I trust them.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some.
The boss inspected it. Yeah, I said I did a good job. So I don't care what anybody you say. It's good enough from her, it's good enough for me. But for now, let's keep moving. Let's try this again without punching the clip into oblivion. Clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there. There's one more right there. Damn. I mean, it's not a Bentley, but that's not bad. Dig it. That deserves a beer. Oh shoot, can I do that on YouTube? Photoshop into some kind of soft beverage. Let's try that again. Feel free to edit that to make it look like I didn't forget anything.